One day you open your bank app and you don't flinch. No panic swipe. No, I'll check later. You just breathe and realize money stopped feeling like an emergency. What changed? Not your personality, not luck. A number did. People love dramatic numbers. Six figures, a million, net worth goals. But those are finish lines. What you need first is the first checkpoint that flips your brain from survival to strategy. Here's the milestone most gurus skip: $20,000. Not because it makes you rich, because it makes you stable. And stability is the launch pad for wealth. For a lot of people, $20,000 equals roughly 3 to 6 months of living expenses. That's the difference between one surprise bill ruins me and annoying but handled. Saving money at the start feels like pushing a boulder uphill. You sweat for tiny progress. Then, at a certain point, the boulder starts moving with you. $20,000 is the crest. Before it, uphill. After it, momentum. When you have no buffer, your brain runs on scarcity. Every decision is fear-based. Take the first job. Tolerate the toxic boss. Say yes to things you hate because you can't afford no. That's not weakness. That's survival mode. It buys you breathing room, mental space, options. You stop asking, how do I make it to payday? And start asking, how do I grow this? That's the moment you stop reacting and start designing. Early on, investment growth looks like pocket change. A 10% gain on $2,000 is $200. Nice. Not life-changing, but 10% on $20,000 is $2,000. Same percentage. Totally different feeling. Let's keep it simple. If you invest $1,000 per month and average 8%, your first $20,000 takes around a year and a half. But the next $20,000 arrives faster because now your money is helping you lift. That's compounding, moving from theory to experience. To reach $20,000 from zero, you don't need magic. You need repetition, tracking spending, saying no, delaying gratification, staying consistent. And once you do it, you prove something huge. You control your money. That identity is worth more than the number. Something flips. You stop obsessing over tiny purchases and start focusing on the big levers: housing, car, income, saving rate, investing. Because those move your life by tens of thousands, not $3 at a time. With $20,000 saved, work changes. You're no longer negotiating from desperation. You can say no, ask for the raise, interview quietly, leave the toxic place if needed. And here's the twist. You often earn more without using the money because confidence changes how you show up. They treat it like a trophy. New car, big vacation. I earned it. Listen, celebrating is fine, but don't drain the foundation. That $20,000 isn't a prize, it's the seed. Protect it. Let it compound. Stop asking, can I afford the monthly payment? Start asking, what is this costing my future? Opportunity cost is the language of people who actually build wealth. If you're below $20,000, don't feel behind. You're at the hardest part, the push uphill. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is momentum. Build the buffer, build the habit, hit the threshold. And when you do, you won't just have money. You'll have options. If this made you see money differently, hit subscribe. I post simple, visual money ideas that actually change behavior.